So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to find Windows Explorer. You may need to scroll down to find it, but now once you find Windows Explorer, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in %temp%. Click on it. And now once you run this, you just want to delete everything that comes up in this folder. So you want to do Control A and then click on delete. Don't worry, these are just your temporary files. And now once you delete all of that, we're going to go to our desktop and you want to find the recycle bin. You want to right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you just want to do a simple restart of your computer. Once you restart your computer, come back into Windows and then this should now fix your problem.